This video I am going to tell you how we can edit the how we can change the cell selector moment in Excel. So generally when we enter some data in Excel, like I type my name. So what will happen? The cursor will go to the downward next cell A2. So we can also change the behavior because most of us generally when we are working in a cell, we do not want the cell to go down or right or up. We generally want to edit the same cell. So to change this behavior, we can go to file and then go to options and go to the advanced tab. Next, you can see in the editing option, first option is after pressing enter, move selection. So the by default the direction is down. You can disable from it, and then if you enter something like I enter my last name, the cell will not go down, cell will stick in that cell until I move my cursor. So thanks for watching.